Airports can feel calm on the surface, but one wrong answer at immigration can instantly turn a smooth journey into a stressful delay. In this video, 10 customs and immigration questions at the airport you must know will be broken down clearly so travelers understand what officers are really asking and how answers are evaluated. Before the questions begin, take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so future travel problems can be avoided before they happen. Question 1. May I please see your passport? This is always the very first question because the passport is the foundation of your entire travel identity. Immigration officers are not simply checking the cover or the photo. The passport is scanned to verify nationality, validity, expiration date, visa status, previous entry stamps, and any travel patterns that may raise concerns. A damaged passport, missing pages, or one that is close to expiration can immediately slow down the process or trigger secondary inspection. The way the passport is handed over also matters. A confident, calm response paired with a valid and well-kept passport signals preparedness and legitimacy. Officers are trained to notice hesitation, nervous behavior, or confusion at this stage. Keeping the passport easily accessible and ensuring it meets entry requirements for the destination country can prevent unnecessary questioning right from the start. Question 2. How long do you plan to stay? This question helps immigration officers determine whether the length of stay matches the visa type and travel purpose. A short stay for tourism, business meetings, or family visits usually aligns with visitor visas. However, vague or overly long answers can create suspicion, especially if they do not match the visa conditions or return ticket details. A clear and specific time frame shows planning and honesty. Officers often cross-check this answer with hotel bookings, invitation letters, or onward travel documents. If the stated duration conflicts with existing records or appears unrealistic, further questioning may follow. Understanding visa limits and confidently stating a reasonable stay duration is critical for a smooth entry experience. Question 3. What is the purpose of your visit? This is one of the most important immigration questions because it determines whether entry is legally permitted. Immigration officers need to confirm that the visit purpose matches the visa category. Tourism, business meetings, transit, medical treatment, or visiting family are all treated differently under immigration law. Unclear or inconsistent answers can raise red flags, especially if travel history suggests frequent long stays or repeated visits. Officers may also evaluate body language and tone to assess credibility. A direct and honest explanation that aligns with supporting documents helps establish trust and reduces the chance of extended questioning or denial of entry. Question 4. What do you do for a living? This question is used to assess financial stability and ties to the home country. Immigration officers want to ensure that travelers can support themselves during the stay and are likely to return home after the visit. Employment details often explain travel affordability and consistency with travel history. A clear job description or source of income reassures officers that the visit is temporary. In some cases, officers may ask follow-up questions if the occupation does not appear to support the travel expenses or if previous travel patterns suggest overstaying risks. Being truthful and consistent with any visa application information is essential at this stage. Question 5. Are you traveling alone or with someone? This question helps officers understand travel dynamics and assess potential risks. Solo travelers, families, business groups, and tour participants are all evaluated differently. Traveling with companions can sometimes support the stated purpose of travel, while inconsistencies about companions may raise concern. Officers may ask additional questions if answers conflict with booking records or previous statements. This question also helps identify human trafficking risks or suspicious group travel patterns. A straightforward answer that matches travel documents and behavior helps keep the process smooth and efficient. Question 6. Do you have any family or relatives here? This question is asked to evaluate personal connections within the destination country and assess the risk of overstaying. Immigration officers carefully analyze whether family ties could influence the length or purpose of the visit. Having relatives is not a problem, but hiding or giving unclear information about them can raise serious concerns. If relatives live in the country, officers may consider whether the visit is genuinely temporary or if there is a possibility of unauthorized stay or work. Travel history, visa type, and previous entries are often reviewed alongside this answer. A clear, honest response that matches declared travel plans and supporting documents helps establish credibility and avoids unnecessary follow-up questioning. Question 7. Have you been here before? This question allows immigration officers to quickly assess travel history and compliance with past immigration rules. Previous visits can work in favor of a traveler if past stays were lawful and within permitted time limits. However, overstays, frequent long visits, or past visa issues can trigger closer inspection. Officers may already see past entry and exit records in the system, so accuracy is critical. Any mismatch between verbal answers and official records can damage trust instantly. A confident response supported by a clean travel history reassures officers that entry rules are understood and respected. Question 8. Are you carrying anything that needs to be declared? This question is primarily about customs compliance and border security. Immigration and customs officers are responsible for preventing illegal items, undeclared cash, restricted goods, and prohibited materials from entering the country. This includes food items, large sums of money, commercial goods, or restricted medications. Even unintentional mistakes can lead to fines, confiscation, or delays. Officers often observe reactions closely to detect hesitation or nervousness. Declaring items honestly when required is always safer than attempting to conceal them. Transparency at this stage protects travelers from serious legal consequences. Question 9. Where will you be staying during your visit? This question helps confirm travel planning and legitimacy of the visit. Immigration officers expect travelers to know where they will stay, whether it is a hotel, rented accommodation, or a relative's home. A vague or uncertain answer may suggest poor planning or hidden intentions. Officers sometimes cross-check this information with booking confirmations or invitation letters. Consistency between stated accommodation details and travel documents strengthens the case for entry. Knowing the address, or at least the name of the accommodation, demonstrates preparedness and genuine travel intent. Question 10. May I see your return ticket or proof of onward travel? This final question is crucial because it directly relates to the intention to leave the country on time. Immigration officers want evidence that the visit is temporary and that departure plans are already in place. A confirmed return ticket or onward booking strongly supports this requirement. Lack of proof can result in delays, secondary inspection, or even refusal of entry, especially for visa-free or short-term travelers. Officers assess whether travel dates align with visa validity and stated length of stay. Having accessible proof of onward travel significantly increases the chances of a smooth and stress-free immigration clearance. Understanding these 10 customs and immigration questions at the airport you must know can make the difference between a smooth entry and a stressful delay at the border. Immigration officers are trained to listen carefully, observe behavior, and verify every answer against official records, which is why preparation and clarity matters so much when traveling internationally. A little knowledge before landing can save time, protect travel plans, and reduce unnecessary anxiety at the airport. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss important travel insights that can help you pass immigration with confidence on every journey.